So when a question is given like this, the figure shows an object and its image formed by a converging lens. One ray from the tip of the object to the tip of the image is shown. Examiner says that the diagram is drawn on full size. This is a converging lens. Converging lenses always form real images. And I have drawn for understanding, I have drawn these two rays or one more ray actually to show the image. Remember, image is real, image is inverted, image is diminished. I had shared uh, one or two videos and also some notes to make this memory work. It's very important if you remember these notes, and whenever you are working on lenses, you should remember the ray diagrams. Now, use figure 7.1. Draw a ray passing through a principal axis of the lens from the tip of the object to the tip of the image. Label the principal focus F. Label the principal focus F. He want to draw another ray. Now let me, there are total, remember that there are total three rays. There are total three rays which can be drawn to make an image. So how should I draw this new ray?
Reflecting back or something?
Figure 7.1, draw a ray passing through a principal focus. So I need to draw another ray.
Yeah.
So you have to connect the image from the lens. Look at this. Now draw this ray with me. Let me know once you have drawn this. He wants to find the focal length.
We'll measure it from the optical center till the end of the image.
Yes, very good. It is the separation from the optical center to the focus. This is the focal length. This is the focal length. Now, please use a ruler to find the focal length. Examiner says that this diagram is drawn full size. So you can put a ruler directly on the, you can put the ruler directly on the your book, and you can tell me what answer you are getting. Use the ruler to find the focal length.
Sir, from the lens's middle or from the object middle? I don't.
No, I have marked it. Now look at the diagram F. I have
Oh,
marked for you. F is the focal length.
So from the F I should measure.
The F is from optical center O and letter F. Distance between F and O. You have to mark this, and the small letter F has to be measured. So put the ruler.
Sir, but from where should I start measuring?
No, can't you see the double-sided arrows, Amar? I think let me mark a double arrow here. Look, double arrow. This is F. Starting from capital F to capital O.
2 centimeters.
2 centimeters. Draw another ray not passing through a principal focus of the lens that passes from the tip of the object to the tip of the image. Draw another ray not passing through the principal focus of the lens that passes from the tip of the object to the tip of the image. But he wants that you should not pass through the focus. Focus means capital F. This is the focus. This is capital F. Examiner wants that you should not go through the focus. So you can take any ray. Yes, can you now can you respond? Draw another ray not passing through the principal focus. Principal focus means in this chapter capital F of the lens that passes from the tip of the object to the tip of the image. So let me make any ray can be made. There is no specification by the examiner. So you can make any ray.
We can even make the ray we made first.
No, actually the problem would be there, Hamad, that ray will pass through the focus, because when I draw a ray parallel, after getting through the lens, it will go through the focus. He wants no focus. He wants that the ray should not go through the focus. I have made this pink ray. You can also make it. So please draw with me. Please quickly draw, and you can make any ray. There's not a particular, but you have to make sure that it should not be parallel with the axis so that it should not pass through the focus. Have you done it?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now let's proceed. Achha, sorry, this is not that question. Okay. Now can you please help me to find another question? Yes, when the angle of incidence, when the angle of incidence exceeds the critical angle, total internal reflection occurs.
That I remember as when the critical angle is smaller than the angle of incidence,
Right.
the total.
Yes, right, perfect. When the critical angle becomes smaller, when the critical angle becomes smaller than the angle of incidence, the light comes back, and this is called total internal reflection. Now we have to mark it here. So please make the notes with me also as I'm writing. So because this topic is a crash way topic, we have to do it in urgent way. I have made a normal. You have to make the same angle. Be careful that the angle should be same. I mean the angle of incidence should be equal to angle of look, this is the case.
In the school exam last year, there was in one paper two repeated questions.
Oh, but this happens obviously. Majority teachers use past papers, and in that case, sometime it happens. I have drawn to my up to my vision that the two angles are equal. When you draw this diagram, make sure the two angles should be equal. What two angles? Angle I and angle R. So please draw it and show me how you draw. Make sure the two angles are equal. Please draw and show me. Please share with me if you have drawn it. Have you drawn it?
One second.
Yes, please be quick because we have limited time now, and we need to complete our remaining chapter also. Are you done? Amar, 5 minutes have gone. One line has to be drawn.
It's done.
So please try to be quick because you know the time factor. We use a lot of
I
time.
did it protected, that's why.
Hmm? You're using a protractor.
Yes.
Acha, that's very good. But still, you can increase that speed, na? Because this is a limited time class. Sorry. The material of an optical fiber has a refractive index. Refractive index is a very important feature. We have a symbol N. Let me write the formula for critical angle. N is equal to, okay, let me write from C pointer. Make sure your calculator is in degree mode. Now, please solve it. Remember, calculator should be in degree mode. Please quickly solve it, and I'm waiting that you can tell me. Answer, it is
Okay. The answer will be okay. Sun inverse 1/1.
sorry, the voice issue was there. So can you please give me the answer again or write it on the chat?
I didn't say the answer yet. One second.
Okay, please tell me once you are get done with it.
41.13 angle in 1 dp, so 41.1.
Looks very good. Now state what sort of reflection takes place within an optic fiber. So we already had discussed, Amma, that this type of reflection is what type of reflection is this?
External reflection.
Explain your answer.
Yes, sir.
When angle I is greater than critical,
Incidence is greater than the angle of a critical angle, total internal reflection happens.
right, light bounces back. So please copy this answer.
Okay.
Have you copied it? Hmm.
Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, done.
Good. A figure shows a container of oil. The array of light shines on the surface of the oil. The refractive index of the oil is 1.47. Draw the normal. Normal is a perpendicular. Normal is always a perpendicular. So this is the normal. The angle X is 56 degree. Calculate the value of the angle of refraction. What is the formula?
Formula is calculate the value of angle of refraction.
N is equal to
1
sine I.
over sine r.
Very good. And we are moving from lighter to denser. N is 1.47. So now please quickly solve this. You have to be quick.
Um, Sin I over sin R. So there can be another formula also used for this, right?
Hmm?
Like, because we studied for the three formulas, I think.
Actually, n is equal to sine I upon sine R. Then it is sine R upon sine I and 1 upon sine C. V1 upon V2, lambda 1 upon lambda 2. So there are 2, 3 formulas, right? But presently, we are using this. So please, can you help me quickly solve it? Because time is finished.
33.80. 33.8.
33.8. Good. State the approximate speed of light in air. It's a memory. 3.0 into 10 is to power. Please reply 3.0 10 power 1.
3 10 power 9. 8.
8. Right.
8.
Good. 3.0 10 power 8. Calculate the speed of light in the oil.
Oil.
This is the formula.
Yeah.
What is the refractive index?
Active index 1 point something, right?
Mhm.
1.5.
No, no, 1.47 given. So no problem. You can look at the working from here. And now you can copy the solution. Please let me know if you get the answer.
Point 8. 3 times 10 power 8 over 1.47. That this is something very, wait,
Sorry.
1 minute, sir. Then 1 minute. Let me check what is there. Okay, sir. 2.0408, 2.04 times 10 power 10.
Hmm. Something is wrong. How 10 power can change? 10 power should not change.
Wait, no, no, 10 power 9, 10 power 9.
Hmm?
Sir, the calculator gives me the answer of
Okay, you do it later and you can share the answer with
20,
me. I'm
the
not here.
answer calculator gives me is 204081632.7.
Right. Anyways, you can check the answer again and we can discuss it next time. So please complete it and we'll do it now in the next class. Allah Hafiz.